Hi, God. Thanks for the shine. Hello, people. I'm one of the people, okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and knock this notice out, man. We're going to get into the flow and we're going to get into the show, okay? So check this out. This is going to all public servants. Remember, a public servant is any entity that falls under the jurisdiction of the constitutions, okay? That means if you're a political entity, you're a public servant. If you're a corporate entity, you're a public servant, okay? And you have a duty and an obligation to serve we the people, okay? All right, check this out right here. Here goes the witness. So the witness is any man or any woman, that's called the people, who are hearing the words that we're laying down right now, right? So right now we're going to put this on the internet. So this is going to go on that light, man, so it can exist forever, okay? All right, here goes that public notice, the public notice of the people's inherent rights. Notice to agent is notice to principal, and notice to principal is notice to agent, okay? All right, check this out. I, one of the people of God, that's a fact, man. In the 50 American states, that's another fact, man. As seen in Genesis 1:2-6 KJV, that's what's up. And Article 2, Section 1 of the California State Constitution. Republican in form. Remember that, man. Sui juris. Remember that one too. I'm serving you with this notice so that you and your agents may provide immediate due care. Okay? All right, here we go. You see that? When you got that care, you got that love, man. That's what's up. Okay, so check this out. Please take notice that the people have a duty and an obligation to preserve the blessings and liberty of good government, okay? See evidence below. Then we got that maxim of law, 51Q. That's what's up. A frequent recurrence to fundamental principles and a firm adherence to justice, virtue, and original law are indispensably necessary to preserve the blessings of liberty and good government, man. Okay, remember that. If you remember that, we're going to be cool, man. That's what's up, all right? So check this out right here. Please take notice that by Almighty God, thank you, God, people are the creators and masters of constitutions and persons, okay? Almost got tongue twisted right there. All right, see evidence below. California Constitution, Article 1, Section 1-2 for 12, text of Section 12, okay? A person shall be released on bail by sufficient sureties except for A, capital crimes when the facts are evident or the presumption great, man, whatever. B, felony offenses involving acts of violence on another person. Remember that key words here, person, or felony sexual assault offenses on another person, another key word, when the facts are evident or the presumption great and the court finds based upon clear, right, you got that vision, and convincing evidence, you got that witness, that there is a substantial likelihood that the person's, another key word, release would result in great bodily harm to others, man. That's what's up, okay? So check this out. C, felony. Felony offenses, when the facts are evident or the presumption, you're assuming things, great, and the court finds based on clear, got that vision again, and convincing evidence that the person, remember key word, person is a mask, right, has threatened another with great bodily harm. When I say another, who are they referring to? With great bodily harm, and that there is a substantial likelihood that the person would carry out the threat if released, man, okay? Remember what a person is, right? Excessive bail may not be required. In fixing the amount of bail, the court shall take into consideration the seriousness of the offense charged, the previous criminal record of the defendant, who is the defendant, and the probability of his or her appearing at the trial or hearing of the case, man. Remember that, okay? A person, remember keyword person, a person may be released on his or her own recognizance in the court's discretion, okay? All right, now we got that keyword flow. Check out what person is. They were saying a lot of persons up there, right? This is what a person is. A person is an individual, a human being, a mask, a false face, from PHERSU, which is mask, right? So remember, a person is not a man, a person is not a woman, a person is not a people, a person is a mask, a person is an entity that we the people use to speak through, okay? Remember that, and you're going to be free, all right? Check out this one right here, release. Release is let go, from RE, which is back, and then you got that laxere, right? See that laxative, which means to loosen, and then you got that SLEG, slag, which means be slack, be languid, right? And then languid means be weak, okay? That's what happens when you're released, okay? Bail, check out what bail is, right? Bail is charge, right? Remember that. Guardianship, okay? Remember that. From bailus, which is porter, carrier, one who bears the burden, okay? One who bears the burden is what bail is, okay? Remember that, right? Then you got surety or surety, right? And a surety is a guarantee, right? Remember that. You know, Jesus Christ is my surety. That's what's up. A guarantee, a promise, a pledge, an assurance, secure, free from care, right? Then you got SC from free from, and then you got cura, which is care, which is cure, which is heal, okay? That's how you know when you're made one, man, when you got that surety, okay? That's what's up. All right, here we go. Please take notice that it is a crime, remember that, to deprive, remember that, the people of rights under the color of law, okay? See evidence below. Then we got that maxim of law, 92AA for alpha alpha. Then we got the deprivation of any rights may be punished, man. Remember that. We will make you feel the pain if you deprive we the people of our rights, okay? And we got some lawyer talk right here. Title 18 for 18 for USC section 242. Remember this, okay? Whoever under color of any law, statute, ordinance, regulation, or custom willfully subjects any person in any state, remember that, any person in any state, territory, commonwealth, possession, or district to the deprivation of any rights, privileges, or immunities secured or protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 1 year or both, and if bodily injury, I got it, results from the acts committed in violation of this section, or if such acts include the use, attempted use, or threatened use of a dangerous weapon, explosives, or fire, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 10 years. Remember that, we're going to stretch it out. Or both, and if death results from the acts committed in violation of this section, or if such acts include kidnapping or an attempt to kidnap, aggravated sexual abuse or an attempt to commit aggravated sexual abuse, or an attempt to kill, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned for any term of years or for life or both, or may be sentenced to death, man. You see that? We'll make you go bye-bye if you deprive the people of their rights, okay? This notice is sent to you in peace and with the love of Christ, so that you may provide due care to those who have all political power, the people. Thank you, Christ. We love you for this one, okay? And then we got this right here. We the people, we love you, and we wish for you to do good, okay? We wish for our public servants to be the best and the brightest, man, period, the end. Then it's coming from Alec, that's me, man of God, that's what I do, servant of Christ, that's who I follow. Then we got that date, don't worry about that, this is going online. Then we got by God we serve with love. All right, so we're done. That's that public notice, man. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop on our next bit, man. How we doing on time? We're cool on time. Right, then we got God's love story. Right, we got woe to Pharisees and experts in the law. Right, Luke 11:52, King James Version, man. Remember this, okay? Maxim of God 52, woe unto you lawyers. Remember that. For ye have taken away the key of knowledge. Remember that. Ye entered not in yourselves. Remember that. And them that were entering in, ye hindered. Remember that, okay? Then we got some key words here. Remember these two. Woe. Woe, why is misery, suffering. Right. Then we got lawyer. Remember what a lawyer is. A lawyer is an interpreter of Mosaic law. Fun fact, all law comes from the Bible, period, the end. Then we got that sage. Then we got that wise man. Then we got that advisor. Then we got that counselor. LEGH, that's where law comes from. It means to lie down, lay. So we're laying down the law for you right now. Then we got that tool. That key key is Ki, to cleave, split. Okay, remember that, man. That's a tool. Then we got knowledge. Knowledge, know is GNO. And then we have to understand. Okay, remember that. Then perceive. So when you're back at vision, you're done. And then we got enter. Enter is between, among, in. Okay, done. That's what's up. Then we got hinder and hinder, right? You know, hinder, hinder is to harm. That's a no-no. Injure, that's a no-no. Then we got hinder, which means back or rear end. Okay, remember that. We always want you to walk with us, man. That's it. Scary simple, right? All right, let's keep it going. This is our last bit, man. We love this one too. This that one mission. We love this mission. This is our one mission, that Christ mission. Protect the children for now and on forever, man. Period. The end, man. That's done, okay? All right, here we go. Foundation. Foundation facts, man. If you remember this, you're going to be free. Order of God's world. Go. God created everything. Remember this, okay? Jesus Christ is God who died for all people's sins. Remember this, okay? All right, God created man, woman, child, people. Remember this, okay? Man, we love this one. Right, God gave man dominion over all the earth. Remember this, okay? Man, woman, child, the people are boss. Remember this, okay? And the people, remember this. The people create constitutions. Remember this, okay? Done, man, done. All right, so that's that foundation, okay? So basically, we're done. We read the public notice of the people's inherent rights, okay? Remember that. So this was going out to all public servants, okay? Any political entity, public servant. Any corporate entity, public servant, okay? And we the people, we are your creators and we are your masters, and we have a duty and obligation to instruct you, man, with love, okay? So we're done. We're going to put this together. We're going to upload it. We're going to see how it flows, man. Remember, nobody's having more fun than us. Bye.